Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update your Binance application using iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Like any other applications, Binance also keeps releasing regular updates. Furthermore, updating applications also help to build a loyal user base, as the updates includes bug fixes, design improvements, and features that users request. In order to update your Binance application, first open up your App Store if you're using an iPhone. Soon after you do that, go to the search button near the bottom right hand corner and give it a tap. In the search bar appearing at the top, search for Binance and you'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. If your application has come up with an update, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the app. You can simply tap on that update button and wait for the application to be downloaded to its latest version. Once the application gets updated, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on and enjoy the latest version of your Binance application on your smartphone. That is how you'll be able to update your Binance application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.